Good morning from sunny Penacova. Here I am outside this charming little stone cottage that's very, very close to the River Mondego. You'll see that when I go inside. I just want to show you the environment around the property. Um, Obviously, you can see that the property needs renovation, there's no doubts there, but you can see next door is a property that's been beautifully and fully renovated to be rented out as a little allogement locale, so an Airbnb. And then you can see the lane here and another beautifully renovated property. So it's definitely the worst house in the street, but that's where the opportunity begins. So I'm going to take you inside. If I just walk slowly. So there's two entrance doors here. My idea is this door here to the right that Chris is demonstrating, that this would be your entrance door in. If it were me doing the renovation, this double door here, I would block up a little bit at the bottom and I'd make a fabulous big window in there. Okay, so that would be your front door in, and the stairs up, and behind the door there, this door here is a door that you'll see from the inside that accesses the stairs from this room down here. Now, our idea is here that this would be your master suite. So like I say, I'm going in this door, but this door would become a window. You can see that the structure of the floor above and the main beams are okay. They don't all need changing. Definitely the main good thick beams are good. You've got plumbing here. So this property, although it's in a tiny little part of Penacova, does have mains drainage. So that's a big plus. No septic tank needed. So you could put a bathroom in here, and then through here you would make your master bedroom. Sorry, the light's not very good. My camera's adjusting a little bit to the light. So yeah, you can make a fabulous, quite a good sized bedroom. It's too dark for you to see. Um, Keeping the main beams exposed, but then you could plasterboard and insulate here, and you could keep some of the stone exposed. It's got beautiful stone. So what you would do is, obviously, like I say, this double door here at the front, if you blocked part of it up, you could have a fabulous window that would bring a lot more light into this area down here. You can see this is where the water comes into the property. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you up the stairs. Beautiful stone steps that could be polished up and made very pretty. Then there's another little wooden staircase here. And then there's this lovely area here. Now, what we would do if it were us doing the renovation is that we would put glazing in here that slides back so that you can have it open, and yeah, have the light and have the benefit of a little balcony, because you can see here you've got a lovely little sneaky view of the river. Okay, so through to here, this part, you have what was the old kitchen, where you've got the chimney there, and this would have been where they cooked and did their thing. So again, plumbing here. Cute little window there that's got a view of the river, which you'll see better when I come through to the other part. This is above where I'm proposing to put the bathroom, where you saw the toilet downstairs. So you could have another toilet or another bathroom on this level as well. Very easy with all the plumbing being above each other. So through these fabulous double doors that, yes, they're old, but I think they could be renovated very beautifully. Through here to the main sort of living space, if you like. Now, first of all, just to talk about these doors here that go down a couple of steps to another level. If you wanted to do this renovation in part, you could actually block up here, and as Chris is demonstrating, and you could obviously block it better and insulate it and do that part of the property at a later date. So yes, this part could be done very easily. You wouldn't need to do anything to this part through here, because it's safe to say that although the main beams are okay, that little part of the roof would need changing. But it's not very big, so it's not a massive cost. Okay, I'll show you that in a minute. So I'm just going to swing round to show you. There's a little window there. Two rooms ahead of us with lovely windows, and that's the door that I came in. Again, if it were me, I would open up this space and I would make this an amazing kitchen lounge diner. And the reason why I would do that, see this window here, I would take out, it was obviously an opening at one point, I would take out this wall below, on both sides. You've got the other one here as well. And I would put great big picture windows in here, because look at what you have out here. This is the view from this cute little cottage. So you can see down below that there's a that's the access to the neighbour below, but you can see that you have no passing cars. It's very, very quiet. You can walk out of your door and walk along the riverbanks, along the river here. All I can hear is the sound of the river and the little rapids that are a little bit further up. And you can see it's a really, really peaceful location and a view to die for, really. So, okay, I'm going to come back in here, leaving this view behind. We'll just come in and go back through to this area. And like I say, so in here in square meterage, Chris, what have we got in here?
72 square meters on each level.
So each level is 72 square meters. That includes that little bit there. So I would say in this area, you've got about 50 square meters, probably, maybe a little bit more. On this floor to make open plan lounge, kitchen, diner. You don't have to make it open plan. And if you just wanted sort of a lounge in here and maybe put a little kitchen in here, you could have another room, another little bedroom or a small office or something. And of course, just going back out to where I came up, where I suggested glaze in this lovely area here to have sliding doors, to have open or closed. That kitchen through there, you could put a bathroom in there. So going back through to this part that I thought, or I think that you could do at a later date, but you could actually get another, well, I don't know, another couple of bedrooms and a bathroom here, because you've got the same footprint down below. You can see that the floors really need changing. Again, to what level you do it. If you did OSB sort of just panels on the floor, it would be cheaper than replacing with floorboards, and then you could put whatever floor covering that you want on top. So yeah, it really depends. Of course, you could do it at the same time as the renovation, but if you wanted to get into something quicker, then this would be the way to do it. You can see there's a little view from this window that goes across the rooftops, across to Penacova itself. Yeah, it's a very, very quiet, lovely, lovely location. Okay, so back through to this room. I'm probably not going to go to the stairs downstairs, but I'll just let you see that there's a staircase, and what you can see. Can we see it here from the window? Yeah, in the other window. I'm going to go back there actually, because a very, very important factor is just over there. Can you see? There's a restaurant called Akota. It's one of the most popular restaurants. Oh, can you hear the church bells? Maybe you can't, because I'm far back from the window with the microphone. So yeah, one of the top restaurants in Penacova, and you can walk to it from this property. So I'm just going to show you the staircase. We won't go down, but you've got the same footprint as you've got here downstairs, which actually you could make with separate independent access, because it has another door in from the street. So you could actually have separate access and you could have this as a separate annex if you really wanted to. You can make a little alloggiamento locale here. So I'm going to take you back up the stairs, back up here, to let you see again the open plan space and what you could do here. Okay, back through here, just to let you see the staircase that I came up. Neighbouring property opposite, and the little kitchen that, in my opinion, I would make a bathroom. Or you can make it a little kitchen and put the bathroom through in one of the other rooms. There's lots of possibilities. So I'm just going to walk here, and I'm going to finish the little video tour now, just with one of the views of the property.